The Sound Ideas recording crew found a remote desert location in Nevada to record explosions. We hired a licensed explosives expert who provided the plastic explosive, which is not at all explosive until it's mixed with a particular resin. Then watch out. With the resin added, the expert used a sniper's rifle with a silencer to set off the explosive. A great, quiet, open location like this lets you record the natural ring-off and decay of the explosions. Early morning in the desert was the best time to record. No wind, no insects, no people, and no airplanes. Because Sound Ideas goes to extremes to get the sounds we need.